We're giving you updates on the charging system here, and it's just early in the morning. The sun is coming up, and it's not on the panels yet. While we're charging these batteries here, and we're bringing about 8 amps coming in here, and it's trying to get these guys all topped off, and from there we can able to break them into segments or modules because the cells are already set up for modules. So we have 25 20 batteries, 4 8 12 16 20 20 batteries in each module. That gives us 125 amp hours per module at 14.4, and we have about 125 is 250. We have about 500 amp hours, 12 volt here at JW Solar USA. As the sun was coming up, we get a peak earlier. I saw up to 10 amps coming in. So 10, if you multiply 10 amps times 13.5, I think that's the time I saw that thing, and it gives you the watt. See, the tracking system is very fast when it comes to Victron. I know I've used ultra fast charge controllers, especially with Magnum, the Pt.4. So these ones are ultra fast as well, and just the tracking on these equipment, Victrons, really awesome. So 15085 TR VCAN and 15070 TR. So just want to give you updates, and we're charging the batteries, and this is what it is. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. JW Solar USA, live from Minnesota. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more updates coming on what we're going to be doing, the testing, trying to fill up these batteries, then we can go into a load test. We have to get the 12 or 24 or 48 volts inverter to do this. All right, love you guys all. Bye for now.